Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm presenting a new trading series on my channel, something that I haven't done in quite some time. And this one is going to be on the daily time frame, trading a bunch of different markets and practicing exactly what I preach with sticking to a system and trading it over and over again relentlessly, not breaking the rules, following proper risk management. This one, I'm going to be trading on all of these different markets here. So we have SPY, Google, NAS 100, 28 major Forex pairs, and Bitcoin. So each day I'm going to scan on the daily time frame, just one scan per day, and using a simple Fu Manchu Cipher B indicator and a 200 period EMA, I'm going to be looking for trade setups and entering them on a $10,000 paper trading account. So this is exactly what I always preach for people to do when you're trying to learn to trade. You know, choose a strategy that you like and paper trade it for 3 to 6 months to prove that you can actually stick to a strict strategy and, you know, be profitable over a series of trades. You don't want to just trade a strategy for 1 week and then when you haven't made a bunch of money yet, you quit on it. You know, this takes a lot of time and also a lot of testing prior to you actually getting to a real money live account. So keeping those realistic expectations and, you know, going through the process in the right order is important. So, you know, I'm just going to demonstrate that on the channel and see what happens with just a simple strategy using the Fu Manchu Cipher B. So exactly what I'm going to be doing is each day or each trading day, I'm going to be scanning the market for setups using this simple strategy, which I'll go over here very quickly. So this strategy using the Fu Manchu Cipher B here, I've gotten rid of a lot of the different flashy colors on it, and I've kept the stochastic K, I've kept the blue waves, I've kept the money flow. So you can see if I go through here, stochastic K, overbought level, buy and sell circles, plots background. So got rid of most of the things on this indicator. And I'll just quickly scroll through here so you can see what I have. So most things are removed. All right, so now I'll break down the strategy rules so you guys know exactly what I'm going to be doing. So starting with the most basic thing, the trend direction filter is the 200 period exponential moving average, where I can only take a long position when price is over the 200 exponential moving average, and I can only take a short when price is under the 200 exponential moving average. The next thing is the money flow. So this green wave that also goes into a red wave, it's also a trend direction filter. So if the money flow wave is in the green, I can only take a long. And if the money flow is in the red, I can only take a short. Now for a long entry, first thing that I need to see is the stochastic K, which is this purple line here, needs to go below the 10 line, which is this white line. So that's what I'm going to consider sort of an oversold for the stochastic K. And after I spot that, the next thing for an entry signal is a blue wave cross up, but that blue wave needs to cross up while it's below the 0 line. All right, so let me just outline it here for you. We get a cross up on the blue wave from below the 0 line. Bunch of times here, bunch of crosses up from below the 0 line. So 0 line is just this midpoint, all right, where the blue waves cross. And for a short, it's going to be the opposite of that. So for a short position, blue waves crossing down from over the 0 line, all right? And of course, for a short, first you need to see the stochastic K go into that overbought territory over the 90 line, okay? And let's just kind of outline a few of the setups on Google here, where this one, we would not have taken an entry because stochastic K never went below the 10. This one right here, we would definitely have an entry, valid entry here. Not on that one, but you can see typically, you know, this lines up very nicely with pullbacks in the market and just going with the main trend direction. So get a bunch of entries on the pullbacks with a strategy like this. And that's exactly what it's meant to do. As a trend following trader, that's exactly what I want to see. I'm going to be placing the stop loss below the swing low plus 1 ATR value for a buffer. And I'm going to be targeting 2 times the risk. For trade management, I'm just going to be moving the stop loss to break even once the price has gone 1 times the risk in my favor. All right. So pretty simple strategy and simple sort of series and challenge to have on my channel to hopefully inspire people to do the same thing with the paper trading account, where you can actually make sure to practice and prove your profitability before ever taking any strategy to a live real money account where you have your funds at risk. The last thing I want to see is people to lose money learning to trade. So you don't need to lose money. It doesn't have to cost you a ton to learn how to trade profitably. You just need to have a system to follow. You have to test that system, take it to the paper trading for a few months at least, prove that you are profitable, prove that you have the trading psychology that it takes to stick to a system and not break the rules. Okay. Then you can take it to a live account by all means. But anyway, that is it for this video. I'm going to be doing updates for this challenge periodically, as whenever I get entries on this challenge, but I'm going to scan each day for entries and take them on this $10,000 paper trading account. And it would be cool to see if this account grows or if it takes a bunch of losses. This strategy isn't proven really. It's only been tested 100 times on my channel. So it'll be cool to see how this works out. But I do think that this strategy will be profitable in the long run. All right. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.